Hello everyone, this is a quick guide to show you how to set up the 2K Ultra Spy Pen on your Mac computer. So the first thing we're going to do is go to SpyCentre.com and then locate the pen itself, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down and open up the quick start guide. The reason why is because we do have the full format right here as you see. So we're going to go ahead and copy and then paste it over into our text document, which you'll see in just a moment. So now that we've copied it, we're going to go ahead and open up the text edit and create a new document. We'll paste that in, and obviously we just want to make sure that it's formatted properly. So you notice here I just fixed the delete, and then we do want to make sure to take off these little circles that are on the end just from copying and pasting it over. Once that's been completed, we can go ahead and update the accurate date and time in the column here. So we'll update it as year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds. And of course, keep in mind this isn't a 24-hour format. So once that's completed, we're going to hit File and then Save in the top left, and we want to name it user.cfg.txt. Obviously, we'll save that to the recorder, and then we can go ahead and eject it and make a recording. So I'm ejecting it here, made a couple recordings, and we're plugging it back in, as you'll see here in just a moment. So once we open up the video folder, bam. So now we got the two recordings, both of the accurate time and date. I'll just show you how to briefly delete them properly. And of course, if you did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.